Oakley. Told by Keith Carradine. Music by Los Lobos.
I fell in love with Annie the first time I saw her ride into the spotlight. An angel in buckskins on a big spotted horse with a star on her wide-brimmed hat. Chestnut hair flying out behind, and 2 6-guns blazing, while a cowboy band played Jubilee. May 16th, 1901. I'll not forget that day.
Davy Crockett. Told by Nicolas Cage. Music by David Bromberg.
My name is Davy Crockett, and I am a legend of American history. The original ring-tailed roarer of the western woods, I called myself. The yellow blossom of the gum swamp. Woo-hee, I was a beauty. Of course, I was a flesh and blood person, born and lived and loved my wife and babies, and now passed into the celestial vapors from where I speak.
Pecos Bill. Told by Robin Williams. Music by Ry Cooder.
There aren't that many cowboys these days. Not real ones like Pecos Bill. Whew, boy, Bill was a piece of work, boy. Ooh, he was the doggonedest gall-diggingest, dead-blamed son of the prairie sod who ever rode across these great United States of America. Any cow-puncher worth a lick will tell you that if it weren't for Bill, there wouldn't have been a Wild West. It just would have been plain old mundane. And who wants to hear stories about the great mundane West? Hell, who'd do? It took a man like Pecos Bill to conquer the West. Before he came on the scene, cowboys